Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel, where learning English is fun, easy, and real. I am Anna. We are so happy to have you with us today. Whether you are listening in the morning, the afternoon, or the evening, hello. I hope you are having a wonderful day so far.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. It is wonderful to be with you all today. I am Tom, and I am very happy to be here. I always enjoy these moments when we can slow down, talk together, and practice real English. I feel very positive today because the weather is beautiful, and I am here with all our friends.
I am happy you are here too, Tom. You always bring a lot of energy to the channel. How are you today? Do you feel good?
Actually, Anna, I feel a little bit tired today. The sun is shining and the sky is blue, but I have a small problem. My head hurts. I have a headache.
Oh no, Tom. I'm so sorry to hear that. A headache is not nice at all. When your head hurts, it is difficult to focus. Is it a big headache or a small headache?
It is a medium headache. I think it is because of the light, or maybe I did not drink enough water. You know how it is. Sometimes we forget to drink water.
That is true. Water is very important for the body. But don't worry, Tom, because today our topic is perfect for you. Today, we're going to the pharmacy.
That is a great idea, Anna. I need to go to the pharmacy. In English, we can say pharmacy or drugstore. It is the place where we buy medicine.
Exactly. It's a very practical topic. We all need to go to the pharmacy sometimes, maybe for a headache or a cold, or just to buy vitamins.
I am ready to learn these words. But before we start our trip to the pharmacy, we have a small request for our amazing listeners who are here with us.
Yes. If you enjoy our podcast and you like learning with Tom and me, please take a moment to subscribe to Mr. Fluent English Channel. It helps us a lot. When you subscribe, it allows us to continue making this helpful and free content for you.
And don't forget to give this episode a like. If you hit the like button, more people can find us and learn English with us. Also, feel free to share it with your friends. Learning together is always more fun, and you can practice with them. Your support is wonderful, and we are very grateful.
Okay, Tom. Let's imagine the scene. We are walking on the street, the air is fresh. We see a big green cross. That is the sign for the pharmacy. We open the door and we walk inside.
The pharmacy is very clean and quiet. It smells like soap and medicine. I see a person behind the counter. That person is the pharmacist.
Yes, the pharmacist is the professional who helps us. I am the pharmacist today, and you are the customer, Tom. Let's practice. Good morning. How can I help you today?
Good morning. I need some help, please. I don't feel very well. My head hurts a lot.
I'm sorry to hear that. How long has your head been hurting?
It started this morning. I woke up and I felt a little pain. Now the pain is stronger.
I understand. Do you have a fever? A fever is when your body is too hot.
No, I don't think I have a fever. I just have this pain in my head. It is right here, behind my eyes.
Okay. Do you have any allergies? Are there any medicines you cannot take?
No, I don't have any allergies. I'm usually very healthy, but today is a difficult day.
Don't worry. We have many things for a headache. We have aspirin and we have paracetamol. These are very common medicines for pain.
Which one is better? I want something that works fast. I want to feel good again.
Paracetamol is very good for a simple headache. It's gentle on the stomach. I have a box here. This box has 20 tablets.
Tablets are the small round pills, right?
Yes, exactly. Tablets or pills. You can take one tablet with a glass of water.
How many times a day can I take the medicine? I don't want to take too much.
That is a very good question, Tom. You can take one tablet every 6 hours. Do not take more than 4 in one day.
One tablet every 6 hours. Okay, I understand. That is very important information.
Also, it is better if you eat something before you take the medicine. Do not take it on an empty stomach.
That is a good tip. I will eat a banana or some toast. Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, you should drink a lot of water. Like we said before, water is very important. And you should rest in a dark room if you can.
Rest is good. I like to rest. But I am a busy man, Anna. I have many things to do.
I know, Tom, but health is first. If you don't rest, the headache might stay longer.
You are right. Health is the most important thing. I will try to rest this afternoon.
Good. Now, do you need anything else? We have many other things in the pharmacy.
Well, now that I'm here, I should look at my list. My wife asked me to buy some things for the house.
What is on your list? We have a lot of basic medicine here.
Let me see. I need some bandages, the small stickers for when you cut your finger.
Ah, yes. We call those bandages or plasters. Do you need a big box or a small box?
A big box, please. My children play outside and they often fall and hurt their knees.
Children are very active. It is good to have bandages at home. I have a box of waterproof bandages here. They are very good.
Waterproof is perfect. They can wear them in the shower. I also need some cough syrup. My daughter has a small cough.
Is it a dry cough or a productive cough?
It is a dry cough. She coughs a lot at night and she cannot sleep well.
This syrup is very good for a dry cough. It has a strawberry flavor, so children like it.
Strawberry flavor is great. She will be happy with that. Medicine that tastes good is easier for kids.
I agree. I remember when I was a child, I hated medicine because the taste was terrible.
Me too. It was always very bitter. Now medicine is much better.
Do you need any vitamins? Many people take vitamins in the winter to stay strong.
Yes, I think I need vitamin C. It is good for the immune system, right?
Yes, vitamin C is excellent. We have these tablets that you put in water. They make bubbles.
Oh, I like those. They are fun to watch. They are called effervescent tablets.
That's a big word, Tom. Effervescent. But yes, they are very popular.
I will take 1 bottle of vitamin C too. I want to stay healthy and strong.
Very good. So we have the paracetamol for your headache, the bandages for the kids, the cough syrup, and the vitamins. Anything else?
Let me check. Oh yes, I need a thermometer. We lost our old one and I want to be able to check the temperature if someone feels hot.
A thermometer is essential for every home. We have digital thermometers. They are very fast and easy to read.
I agree. Digital is much safer. Okay, I think that's everything. Let me put everything in a bag for you.
Thank you very much. You are a very helpful pharmacist. I feel better just talking to you.
That's the power of kind words, Tom. Sometimes a good conversation is the best medicine.
I agree. Now, how much do I owe you? What is the total?
Let me see. The paracetamol is $5, the bandages are $3, the syrup is $7, the vitamins are $10, and the thermometer is $15.
That is $40 in total. Here is my credit card.
Thank you. You can put your card here in the machine. Please enter your PIN.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt and here is your bag. I hope you feel better very soon, Tom.
Thank you, Anna. I'm going to go home now. I will eat something, take my medicine, and rest.
That is a very good plan. Remember to drink water.
I will. Thank you for all your help today.
You are very welcome. It was a pleasure to help you.
Before we go, Anna, I want to say something to our friends. Friends, if you ever feel sick, please go to a doctor or a pharmacy. It's important to take care of yourself.
Yes, your health is your wealth. And remember to practice these words: pharmacy, medicine, headache, pharmacist. These words are very useful.
You can even go to a pharmacy and just look at the labels. It's a good way to learn new English words.
That is a great tip, Tom. We hope you enjoyed this trip to the pharmacy with us.
We did, and we hope you feel very healthy and happy today.
Don't forget to comment below. Tell us, what do you do when you have a headache? Do you drink tea? Do you take medicine? Do you sleep?
We want to read your stories. Your comments make us very happy.
Thank you for being part of Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love our community.
Yes, you all are amazing. See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye. Be healthy.